Hey friends, if you wish to update Intel HD graphics drivers on your system, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now, here's the thing. The Intel HD graphics drivers are present in the system whether or not you have a dedicated graphics card, because the system cannot work without them. So search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open Device Manager. Expand the list for display adapters, and the first one is usually the Intel one. Now I have an AMD system, that's why it will show the AMD default drivers, but nonetheless you have to update them. Another way to update these drivers is to right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates. The third method is to install these drivers manually, though trust me, it is not required, but still. So here's what you will have to search: Intel graphics card drivers. Okay, and hit enter, and then you can scroll down to Intel driver and software page or list of Intel drivers for graphics, and then scroll down and expand it for Windows 11, which I'm assuming, and you can install the latest set of drivers. So this is for the 11th generation core onward. Okay, the Iris ones. The previous ones are older, so you have to choose it accordingly. If you have a 10th generation or 7 to 10 generation system, then choose these ones, otherwise these ones. Click on these, download the exe file, and then click on open to install them. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.